This question is asking us which pair of terms describes the data. So just starting off with the answers, we've got bivariate and univariate, and then we've got numerical or categorical. So a lot of times it's smart to look at the answers first, then go back in and read it so that you understand what they're after. Okay? So bivariate or univariate and numerical or categorical. So it says Maribel asked a random group of upper class students at her school which grade they are in and how they traveled to school in the morning. And here's the data. So first of all, she asked them two things. She asked them what grade they are in, and she asked how they travel to school in the morning. Two things that says bivariate. So it's a bivariate data. It's bivariate data, not univariate or univariate. I don't know how to say that. I think it's univariate. So bivariate. Now it's numerical versus categorical. So this one is kind of tricky because there are numbers involved as far as what grade you're in, 11th grade versus 12th grade. But those numbers, they don't represent a calculation or anything like that. They're more of a category. If you say you're in 11th grade, that's a category of the grade that you're in at school. And then obviously how you got to school is categorical and not numerical. So this is bivariate and categorical. And we didn't even have to write anything down. So hopefully that helps. Keep it up. You're doing great. You will master the math.